Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI, and if you're looking for a cell phone cover for your iPhone 7 Plus, this one is highly recommended by me. This one is made out of silicone, which means that it's very flexible and very soft to touch. However, if you notice on the corners, they're very sturdy. They did a great job of protecting the corners, reinforcing them. So if your phone is dropped at any time, this cell phone cover will protect your phone. And I have dropped mine a couple of times. Now, like I said, it's silicone. I added the decal on it just because I like to customize my own covers, but it's beautiful. It's actually very beautiful, very soft, which allows you to be able to slip the phone in without a problem, just like that. And the phone is protected. It's got a space for your camera right here and for your volume up and down. So I absolutely love this cover, and I think you will too. That's my point of view.